Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about winter fertilizer, what it does, why the lawn needs it, and why it's good for the lawn. Let's get into it. Winterizer or a winter fertilizer, it's a special type of fertilizer that has key nutrients. Usually it's a bit lower in nitrogen but higher in potassium. So the main three things that a winter fertilizer will do for your lawn is number one, strengthen the roots, number two, help boost disease resistance, and number three, improve cold tolerance. Okay, and then to dive a little deeper into some of that, first being with the roots, it's really going to help build a strong root system, really basically feeding those roots to get ready for winter. That fertilizer too is going to make the grass and the grass roots really store those nutrients getting ready for winter, so that come springtime you get an early green up and the grass just looks a lot better in the beginning. On top of that, a well-fed lawn, especially with the winterizer, is just going to help fight off disease and ward off any unwanted lawn issues so that you have less money to spend going throughout the year. So the best time to apply a winter fertilizer is going to be when the temperatures kind of linger around 40 to 50 degrees. Usually for us here in Michigan, that's going to be early October to late November. When you're looking for a winterizer, usually most of them will be labeled as a winterizer, but the main thing to look for is a little bit lower in nitrogen levels, and then the potassium levels will be a bit higher to promote the root strength that we were talking about earlier. And lastly, if you need help deciding or finding a winter fertilizer, go ahead and give Lawn Doctor a call. We're always able to help you out with that. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.